Hafsa, how are you? Okay, I will ask you some questions what you have learned in the last month. So, as usual, you know that this is your speaking test session and you have to answer all of the questions. So, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel nervous?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then my first question is to you. Could you tell me what is the definition of modal verb?
A moral auxiliary verb is a helping verb that shows capability, necessity, possibility, or willingness.
Okay. Would is a modal verb, right?
Yes.
So, can you make some sentences by using would?
I could cook rice.
Not could, would.
Would.
Yes.
I would learn English. I wouldn't learn English. Would I learn English? Wouldn't I learn English? Why would I learn English? Why wouldn't I learn English?
Then the another modal verb is make.
Make.
Yes. Can you make some sentences by using make?
I make him do the work. I don't make him do the work. Do I make him do the work? Don't I make him do the work?
No, I didn't say make. I said may. M-A-Y.
May. I may go there. I mayn't go there. May I go there? Mayn't I go there?
Okay, that's great. Then the another modal verb is might. It is the past form of may, right?
Yes, sir.
So, can you make some sentences by using
Yes, sir.
might?
I might ride a letter. I mightn't ride a letter. Might I ride a letter? Mightn't I ride a letter?
Then you can change the subject and object.
You you might you might cook rice.
Yeah.
You mightn't cook rice. Might you cook rice? Mightn't you cook rice?
That's great. The another one is should.
I should read attentively. I shouldn't read attentively. Should I read attentively? Shouldn't I read attentively?
Then you can change the subject and object.
You should swim in the pond. You shouldn't swim in the pond. Should you swim in the pond? Shouldn't you swim in the pond?
That's great. So let's move to the next question. Uh, Next question is about you have to make some sentences by using should have plus V3.
I should have gone there. I should have gone there. I shouldn't have gone there. Should I have gone there? Shouldn't I have gone there? Why should I have gone there? Why shouldn't I have gone there?
So can you change the object?
I should have done the work. I shouldn't have done the work. Should I have done the work? Shouldn't I have done the work? Why should I have done the work? Why shouldn't I have done the work?
Then could you tell me the definition of positive verb?
The English verbs let, make, have, get, and help are called causative verbs because they cause something else to happen.
Nice. Then make is like we can use it as a principal verb and also we can use it as a positive verb, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you make some sentences by using make as a positive verb?
Made.
Make.
I make her do the work. I don't make her do the work. Do I make her do the work? Don't I make her do the work? Why do I make her do the work? Why don't I make her do the work?
Then you can make some sentences in the past tense.
I made her cook rice. I didn't make her cook rice. Did I make her cook rice? Didn't I make her cook rice? Why did I make her cook rice? Why didn't I make her cook rice?
Then the another one is will get.
I will get her to clean the room. I won't get her to clean the room. Will I get her to clean the room? Won't I get her to clean the room? Why will I get her to clean the room? Why won't I get her to clean the room?
Then let.
I let
Don't use the subject I.
You let him to watch movies. You don't let him to watch movies. Do you let him to watch movies? Don't you let him to watch movies?
Okay. What about help?
I helped her carry the luggage. I didn't help her carry the luggage. Did I help her carry the luggage? Didn't I help her carry the luggage?